Hello everybody, welcome to Mathethics original channel. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the last video, we did a part 1 on how to solve multi-step linear equations. In today's video, we will do a part 2 on how to solve multi-step linear equations. And to do this, we're going to use these 3 examples. Now, on the first example, we have 2 plus 3x over 2 equal negative 2x plus 6. Realize that on the left side of the equation, you have a fraction involved. Now, once you have fraction involved, one way you can solve it is by using the cross multiplication. To do that, because we got a fraction here on the left side and we do not have a fraction on the right side, what we can do is put a fraction bar on the right side of the equation and put a 1 underneath. Now we have a fraction on both sides of the equation. Once you're done with this, what you're gonna do is to draw a line from that numerator on the left side that's connected to the denominator on the right side, and then you draw a line from the denominator on the left side to the numerator on the right side. Now, once you've done this, you're going to take that denominator on the left side, which is 2, you're going to multiply it by the numerator on the right side, which is negative 2x plus 6. Okay, then you're going to have equal. Now we're going to do the same thing. The denominator on the right side, multiply by the numerator on the left side, 2 plus 3x. Now, we can use the distributive property to eliminate those parentheses. So 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x. And 2 times 6 is 12. One times 2 is 2. And 1 times 3x is plus 2x plus 3x. Now, we need to combine the like term. Now, combining like term means you move every term with the x on one side of the equation and everything without the x on the other side of the equation. Here we have negative 4x plus 12. On the right side, you got 2 plus 3x. Now, let's deal with the x first. With the x, negative 4 is less than positive 3. Because negative 4 is less than positive 3, I will move negative 4 to the right side. So I'm going to have 12 equal 2 plus 3x. Now, every time you move a number from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, you just have to change the sign. So, because I'm going to move that negative 4x from the left side of the equation to the right side of the equation, then I need to make it plus 4x. All I do is change the sign. Now, we can do the same thing for the 2. 2 is less than 12. So therefore, since I already moved the x to the right side, now I'm going to move the 2 to the left side so it can be with the 12. So I'm going to have 12. On the right side, 2 is positive. So when I move it to the left side, it's going to be negative 2. 3x plus 4x. 12 minus 2 is 10. 3x plus 4x is 7x. Now, what we do is to divide 7 on both sides of the equation so we can have x by itself. You divide 7 here, you divide 7 here. Now, 10 over 7 is equal to x. Or you can say x equal to 10 over 7. It's the same thing. Now, let's see the second example. You have 7w plus 13 over 12w plus 15 equal to 2/3, or 2 over 3. Now, on the left side, we have a fraction. And on the right side, you also have a fraction. Now, because we already have fraction on both sides, we do not have to do the same thing we did on the first example when we put a 1 underneath. So we already have a fraction, so we set. Now what we're going to do is to draw a line from the numerator. We're going to draw a line from the numerator on the left side to the denominator on the right side. And then we're going to draw a line from the denominator of the left side to the numerator of the left side. Once you've done this, you're going to do a cross multiplication. So we're going to do 2 or 3 times 7w plus 13. So we take the denominator 3, you time it by the whole numerator, which is 7w plus 13. Then you got equal. Now we're going to take the whole numerator, which is 2, times the whole denominator over there, which is 12w plus 15. Once you've done this, now you can go ahead and do the distributive property to eliminate the parentheses. So 3 times 7w is 21w. 3 times 13 is 39. Equal 2 times 12w is 24w. And 2 times 15 is 30. Again, looking at the variable, which is the w, 21 is less than 24. So therefore, I'm going to move the 21 on the same side of the 24. So I'm going to keep that 39 over here equal 24w plus 30. Now the 21w was positive on the left side of the equation. So when I move it to the right side of the equation, so it's going to be negative 21w. Now we're going to do the same thing for 30, okay? Because 30 is not like the move. We only want the term with w together. So we're going to take the 30 and we're going to move it to the left side of the equation. So we're gonna have 39. Now we had plus 30, we're gonna make it minus 30 equal 24W minus 21W. 39 minus 30 is 9 equal 24W minus 21W is 24 minus 21 is 3W. Now keep in mind we want W to be alone. So therefore, since 3 multiply W, the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 3 on both sides. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And we're going to have that equal W. So W is equal 3. Next example. Here we have 6 plus the fraction of 3z plus 1 over 8 equal 2z plus 11. The difference with this one compared to the other two, is that we have an extra term on the left side. We have an extra term on the left side, which is the 6. So we have to deal with the equation term by term. So which means we have to take care of the 6 before we take care of the 3z plus 1 over 8. To take care of the 6, we're gonna move the 6 to the right side of the equation. So I'm gonna have 3z plus 1 over 8 equal 2z plus 11. Now if I move the 6 to the right side, 6 was positive, now it's going to become minus 6. (3z plus 1 equal over 8, equal 2z plus 11 minus 6 is 5. So now, what I did over here is to put a fraction bar and then including that 1 in the denominator, so we can have a fraction on each side of the equation. So once you've done this, we're going to now draw a line from the numerator of the left side of the equation to the denominator of the left side of the equation, of the right side of the equation. Then we're going to draw another line from the denominator of the left side of the equation to the numerator of the right side of the equation. Now, we can do the cross multiplication. 8 times 2z plus 5 equal 1 times 3z plus 1. 8 times 2 is 16. Z plus 5 equal 1 times 3z, so 8 times 2 is 16z, and 8 times 5 is 40, equal 1 times 3z is 3z, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now, since 16 is bigger than 3, alright, 3 is less than 16, so we're going to move 3z to the left next to the 16z. So we're going to have 16z minus, so that 3z was positive on the right side. When you move it to the left, it's going to become negative. Minus 3z equal 1 minus 40. 16 minus 3 is 13z equal negative 39. Now we need z by itself. So z is multiplied by 13, and the inverse operation for multiplication is division. So we're going to divide 13 on both sides of the equation, which is going to make z equal 39 divided by 13 is negative 3. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, please let us know in the comment. And if you have any topic you'd like for me to talk about, also let us know in the comment. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.